Okay, lesson 2. I'm going to take that pentatonic scale pattern that we just worked on, and I'm going to show you some basic rhythm riffs, as you might hear in a blues rock kind of thing. It's a great place to get started with putting the pentatonic scale to use, all right? And you may have heard this kind of thing in, if you listen to blues, certainly if you listen to classic Chicago blues or any of that kind of stuff, you've heard these riffs. If you listen to Eric Clapton and Stevie Ray Vaughan, you've heard these kind of riffs, all right? Jimi Hendrix, all those kind of great artists, Led Zeppelin, all would use riffs of this nature, all right? So let's start out with this one. This is one of the classic riffs, all right? All right? I started on the first note of the pentatonic, jumped up 2 strings to what is my octave note. These are both A's, all right? And then I just descend that scale pattern a few notes and start over. Here's the whole pattern if we go around a 12-bar blues. Alright? That kind of a pattern would repeat over and over and over again. Alright? Here's another. Alright, you notice that I'm playing the first part of the riff is basically what I would consider my A chord. I move over a string. This is what I would consider my D chord in my chord progression. Alright? A lot of times a song can be analyzed as having chords even if it doesn't have chords, it has riffs. Basically it's the A section, the D section, and then you noticed I moved my hand up. I moved up 2 frets as if I was playing an E bar chord over here, all right? Then I moved back down to the D, but regardless, I still played the same riff even when I moved up, all right? So it's not really anything tricky. You'll get it, all right? How about one more? Alright? There's countless little rhythms like that that are put together. One Way Out by the Allman Brothers is one of those. Moby Dick by Led Zeppelin is one of those kind of things. There's just so many cool songs that are based on riffs that come from that main pentatonic pattern. Alright? And if you want to know more about pentatonic patterns like this, hey, my Logic Elite guitar course is just full of information and teaching. I tear these scales apart and really show you how to dig into that, all right? That's lesson 2.